Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carolina and today I want to show you how to make a Victoria hat. It's a hat that I made using leftover Sherpa fabric from my other projects, so if you have any Sherpa fabric lying around, this is just a great project with you. So let's start with the tutorial. For this hat, I'm gonna have 4 pieces of the crown and I'm gonna place them together, 2 pieces and 2 pieces, wrong side to wrong side. We can also place them right to right side if you want to hide the seam, and then I'm gonna sew them together with one continuous line, those 2 panels, with 1 centimeter seam allowance. Now that our panels are joined together, I'm gonna trim the seam allowance, but be careful not to cut through the stitch line. Then I'm gonna open the 2 panels again and sew them together. Because we did 1 continuous stitch line without cutting the thread, the top part should align perfectly in the center. Moving on to the band, I'm gonna take the 2 pieces and on the bottom edge I'm gonna separate the Sherpa fabric from the corduroy fabric by just pulling them apart, and I'm gonna continue to do so all around the bottom edge. Then I'm just gonna fold out the Sherpa fabric and cut off the corduroy fabric by 1 centimeter. Then I'm gonna fold the Sherpa fabric over the seam allowance of the corduroy and pin them together. Is it the truth that you'll be living tonight? We should take a walk, then a swim in the sea. That will mean everything. Then I'll top stitch them in place with 1 centimeter seam allowance. Can we get out of this one? Waiting and missing. I never thought you would leave me here. We can get out of this. As the next step, we need to join the bands together on the sides. And because the wrong side of the band is going to be exposed, we need to sew them together by placing them wrong side to wrong side. And now that our band is ready, we need to add it to the hat. With the band on the right side, turn the hat to the wrong side and place it inside of the hat. What we want basically is the inside seam of the hat to not irritate or scratch our skull. Then align the seam allowances together and sew it with 1 centimeter seam allowance. You can cut off the seam allowance or not, it's not really necessary. And then you just need to back out the hat to the right side, fold out the band, and that's your hat ready. What I love about this project is that it's gonna go so well with the jacket, and at the same time I'm gonna use up all of the fabric that I had rather than just tucking it in on the shelf. So if you have any leftover fabric or you just want to make a hat, feel free to try it out. It's so much fun. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.